floor this morning.
Oh, Ida, I'd love to have a crack at sitting on the eggs for a bit. But, you look so comfortable up there. It seems a shame to disturb you.
Well, what about the extension you promised to build on the nest? It's going to get very cramped when the little ones arrive, especially with that one big egg in the clutch. Goodness knows what size that chick is going to be.
You know, I reckon that might be a turkey's egg.
Oh, Drake, how could it be a turkey's egg? Must be from your side of the family.
Well, we'll just have to see who he takes after, won't we, dear?
Yes, dear.
Anyway, I must fly. I promised the rooster I'd help him count his chickens. Shall I see you back here?
Well, where else do you suppose you're going to be? As a duck, when you're stuck, that's sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake, I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my fruit. Their little heads so soft and downy, their baby buds all golden brownies, their beaks constantly open, waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walking under the light. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Ida.
Oh, morning, Maureen.
How's the mother to be?
Well, she'd be better if the father who was. It's better being the father who is. I sometimes think I'd be better off pairing with a decoy.
Ida, how much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I've been to all of my prenatal hatching classes, run by that self-satisfied stork, and she said about half a month, but